Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making air fryer Philly cheesesteak, guys, that are chef kiss and one of my family's favorite. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We are going to slice our bell peppers. Next, we're going to slice our onion. Over medium-high heat using a griddle, or you can also use a cast iron, I am going to add my butter. And I'm just going to get this butter to melt before adding on my veggies. And we're going to cook them for about 10 minutes or until the onion has a nice color. Here are my veggies. They're looking great, so what I'm going to do is push them to the back where the temperature is a lot lower and add my meat. I'm going to season it with some seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. We want a good sear on this meat, so we're going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes before flipping. Now we are going to bring over our veggies and we're just going to give that a mix. Turn off the heat. Now go ahead and remove it and place it into a bowl. After removing our meat, we're going to allow it to cool. Now set your air fryer on bake 350. I am using pizza crust dough for this recipe, so I'm just going to unroll it. We're going to place our cheese. And you can add as much or as little cheese as you would like. Now take your meat and place it right in the center. Now grab a pizza cutter or a knife, and I am going to slice this right in the center. Then I'm gonna go right in the center of this and do the same for the other side. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Grab the bottom dough and we're just going to place this right on top, and we'll do the same for this one. Now we are going to close this by stretching it and pinching the ends. It's not going to be perfect, so just like that. Now I'm going to grab a fork and I'm just going to press down on the edges. This is how my first three are looking, so I am going to cook them one at a time. And we are going to bake these for about 5 to 6 minutes. And this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, my Philly cheesesteak hot pockets are ready. Take a look. I'm going to show you guys the inside of this hot pocket. Take a look. Ooh. Doesn't this look amazing? So good. You can go ahead and serve this with your favorite side of dip. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.